Have you ever tried using a soap dispenser that just wouldn't work for darker skin? Or read about an AI hiring tool that keeps recommending men for leadership roles? These aren't random glitches. They're early warnings of something much bigger: bias in artificial intelligence. So, can a machine really be racist or sexist? Let's unpack what's really going on behind the screen. Hi, I'm Cynthia, your guide to understanding AI in plain English. In this video, we'll explore how bias sneaks into AI systems, why it matters in everyday life, and what people are doing to fix it. AI doesn't wake up one day and decide to be unfair. It doesn't have opinions or emotions or intent. But here's the catch. AI learns from data. And that data, it comes from us, from human history, behavior, and the internet. If our history is full of inequality and stereotypes, then those patterns get copied and sometimes amplified by AI. Think of it like raising a child on old biased textbooks. They'll repeat what they've learned even if they don't understand it's wrong. The problem isn't that AI is evil. It's that its training data was incomplete and unbalanced. So, can AI be racist or sexist? The truth is, AI doesn't want to discriminate. But if bias goes in, then bias comes out. It's not conscious, but its impact can still be deeply unfair. Let's look at some real cases. An AI used to screen job applications learned that the best candidates were men, because most past resumes in its data were from men. It didn't know why that was happening. It just copied the pattern. Another facial recognition system struggled to identify Black and Asian faces, simply because most of its training images were of white people. And even smartphone voice assistants have been shown to respond more accurately to male voices than female ones. These examples might sound small, but imagine what happens when biased AI is used in hiring, bank loans, or law enforcement. Here's the truth. AI itself doesn't have the capacity to be racist or sexist. But it can reproduce bias, and even make it worse, if no one steps in to check its data and decisions. So when people ask, is AI racist? The better question is, are the humans behind it paying attention? Because if bias goes in, then bias definitely comes out. The good news? We can fix it. Researchers and companies are now working to make AI more fair and transparent. That means using diverse training data, testing for unfair outcomes, and including people from all backgrounds in the design process. Ethical AI isn't just about better technology, it's about better values. Have you ever noticed tech behaving unfairly? Like a filter that doesn't detect your face, or an app that assumes something about you? Drop your story in the comments. Let's make AI smarter, and fairer together. So, can AI be racist or sexist? Not intentionally, but it can mirror the bias of the world around it. The fix starts with us, by teaching technology to see the world more clearly. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit like, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more human-friendly AI explainers. See you in the next episode.